So in order to construct a raised bed, these are the tools you would need. You would need a saw, a hand saw or an electric saw, a tape measure, a marker or a pencil, a set square, a drill bit so that you can pre-drill your holes before driving in the screws. This helps in preventing wood to split if the holes are pre-drilled. A screwdriver, in my case this is number 2 Phillips head, and screws, 3-inch screws I'm using so that they are long enough to go from one piece of the wood to other, and they are exterior screws so they won't rot when I use them for outside purposes. I'll be using 2 pieces of wood which are 8 feet long and 10 inches wide. You need that width to have adequate soil level in your raised bed to support your plants. I am using white Douglas fir. Cedar is ideal, but that's not readily available. This wood shall last me 4 to 5 seasons before I need to change it. So I'll be cutting these 2 pieces in half so that I end up with 4 pieces of 4 foot, and I'll be joining them together to make a 4x4 raised bed. In the corners, I'll be using a piece of 4x4 which I've cut to the width of the wood. That would give the raised bed extra strength when I am combining the pieces. Now that we have 4 pieces of 4 foot boards, we are going to pre-drill holes in it. So in order to pre-drill some holes, I'm going to use the wood. So now I know the hole should be in this section. So I'm going to pick a 4 spots. And I'm going to pre-drill some holes in these. Once all the pieces are cut and holes are pre-drilled, you can line up all the sides so that they are square, and these pieces are put in the corner. And now I'm going to use my drill and screws to complete the structure. Now select a site where you want to put your raised bed. You don't have to do anything to the ground. You can just put a piece of cardboard there and raised bed on top of it, and you can fill that with the raised bed mix and you are good to go. We got this compost today delivered from our local composting company. It has beautiful dark rich color. It is 70% compost and 30% topsoil, and it's perfect to go in the raised beds. It has a lot of organic material to hold moisture. So I want to show you consistency. Full of this, and if you press it, it holds it firm, but if you move it again, it all crumbles down. So that's what you're really looking for in the raised bed material. And I'm glad I found this company, because last year we ordered the similar thing, but it was not screened and we had big pieces of clay. This is half-inch screened, so this is very fine, and I'm really excited to use it in our raised bed this year. So here's the final result of our raised bed construction. We have put it together, put it on a piece of cardboard, and filled it up with raised bed mix, which we sourced from our local company. So that's how you do it end to end, and we will let it sit for a couple of weeks before we start planting stuff in it. Thank you for watching.